YouTube, what's up? We're back. It's been a while. Well, we're sort of back. I'm back with my brand new power steering unit. No more lights on there. Father's still waiting on his. So he brought the CF Moto today. CF Moto CForce 1000. And I'll tell you what, man, these CForce bikes, or the CF Motos, have really come a long way in the last few years. The fit and finish of this thing. Hi, baby. Hi, Casey. The fit and finish of this thing is amazing. It's like built like a truck, man. It's so heavy duty, everything is great. I've never seen anything like it. Even like the frame and stuff, man. Look how thick and all that the frame is. Way different than a Can-Am. Anyway, we're gonna go for a little rip. It's not ideal conditions or anything, but we haven't been out in ages and we're dying to go for it, so we're going. Come with us. The signal light killed me. I wish I had to GoPro roll it.
Emergency lights too.
Does it? So it's like everything like the car, I guess, because in a lot of places in the world they're street legal, right?
The daytime running lights, they're off now, but
yeah, it's wild, man. What a rig.
Head mirror, of course. But
yeah, they had to go. Yeah. She's a beauty looking machine, though, man. I gotta say, I'm really impressed with the fit and finish on it. It looks good. All right, well, let's go. I think we're gonna go back into the old shack and see how it is these days. But first, let's get going here. Fucking rocket. How do you turn it off? Man, that's impressively fast, man. For a bone stock machine, it was up to 100 kilometers or 95 there in no time, man. But it's so smooth, man. Oh my goodness, like it's just like driving a Cadillac, man, compared to what you're used to on a mud bike, eh? What a beast. It's really comfortable to ride, man. Like it's super like nice seating position there. Yeah, I gotta say, man, the old CForce, impressive. Who would have thunk it? CF Moto, eh? Bringing the heat, man. All jokes aside, man, it's impressive. That is really nice ride. It just feels really like stable. But I guess you're used to driving that all the time too. It's a big difference, right? Alright, cool. Let's rip. Just wanted to have a little rip on her, see what she felt like. Power steering, pretty nice, eh?
Way different mode.
Way different, man. Like, yeah, no, I found it like it's much more stable. It feels, right? Like, I guess that the ones we had never did work right. It's slippery, eh? Shack here now. Yeah, roar! Oh, diff lock built in. Back in here at the old shack, the garbage dump for the woods around here. Every once in a while we'll come in and visit it, see how it's doing. Used to be, like I said, you've seen my previous videos, it used to be a wicked spot actually. People would come in here and socialize and have fires, and people were bringing their kids and having cook-ups and doing all kinds of fun stuff. And then of course, you know, can't have nothing, right? Everything got to be destroyed for some reason. This is crazy, man. What a sin. It's such a real shame, man, because it was such a nice spot. And now it's just like a freaking garbage dump in here, man. Like, destroyed. What a shame. Anyway, it is what it is. So far, so good on the power steering. Holding up. No issues. Actually works way better than it ever did before. The old Moto the beast, man. Man, this thing is a weapon. I took it for a run earlier. Oh yeah, I think I was recording. Hope I was. It can move, man. And it's so smooth and powerful. Nice bike for sure. They've come a long way since they first came out. Look at the size of Rad. It's huge, man. What a weapon. Of course, Tyler says to me, right, first day he gets this bike, he's like, oh, I'm not doing anything with this bike, so this thing completely flat. They don't look like stock wheels for me, Tyler.
Yeah,
Close enough, eh? Alright, let's get back to the trail. Stock, it looks like. Oh yeah? That's fun. Maybe it's like an intelligent dip lock or something. it only turns on when it needs to or something like that. Like, yeah. She's a nice machine, but no doubt.